warrant quality. So the statement of the problem. Small to medium farm owners in WR still rely on manual labor for egg sorting and quality inspection. A process that is slow, inconsistent, and prone to costly errors. So these are the problems that we observe. Rating machine causes errors, manual egg retention, no affordable integrated system, expensive industrial alternatives, no production tracking, and lastly, non-standard manual handling. Next. So here are our objectives: to develop a smart sort, an automated egg classification and quality detection system to provide small to medium quality farm owners in WR with an affordable, accurate, and data-driven alternative to manual egg sorting. So these are objectives. Two, weight-based classification, automated handling, mechanical sorting, monitoring dashboard, and lastly, performance evaluation. So this is our product, a solution. So practical ways to sort the smart sort. So this is our product logo. As you can see, this is means manual automated egg classification. So it has its own benefits having automated sorting, which eliminates grading fatigue, real-time dashboard tracking, daily production, ensures full BAFES compliance for market-ready product, automatically detects and isolates defective eggs, and accurate egg classification to BAFES standards. So this is for affordable, accessible for small to medium farm owners in WR. So it has its own automated sorting, which eliminates grading fatigue, which means any human error can be solved with AI. And next is the real-time dashboard tracking daily production. This means that we have a dashboard for the system, so the owner can automatically see and evaluate their process. And it also ensures full BAPS compliance for market-ready product. This means that this is the standard for the Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries standard, meaning it is also ready to market, as always committed to the standard of the BAPS. Next, target market.
So for the target market, it could be the small to medium equity farm owners and WO who currently realize manual labor for egg sorting and quality inspection. So estimated market size, that's thousands of small to medium poultry farms across WO are currently using manual sorting. A large gap and high-end market affordable automated egg grading solutions. For the demographics, small to medium scale poultry farms and ages around 35 to 55 years old is a farm owner or even a farm managers. Those with the income of agricultural traders, farms with reduced egg global markets, dealers and grocery retailers. Businesses looking for BAFES or the Bureau of Agricultural Standard to apply for market and delivery. So for the target user and persona, so this is our beneficiary. State standard data, small farm, poultry farm owner, and WO is so based on a survey that we got, Scotland manages 100 egg and hens, sells eggs to the global market and dealers, operate with 2 farm workers and uses manual sorting with BAFES. So based on the survey, his goal is to sort more eggs faster, meet BAFES standard to access better buyers and accurate and sorting eggs, weight the eggs, detecting bad eggs. So for the pain points, it's slow sorting process, egg output, grab eggs not detected and outside part of the egg is dirty. So based on the goals and pain points of our target user or functionality, our product was smart sort with that team with affordable unit price, easy to install and use, and give the BAFES compliance sorting and production.
Sa gamit ng exporting, let's start with the
Ano siya ma'am? Ano siya? Ito siya ang sulong. Kasi wala mo siya yung ano lang siya mga kapag-ikat ka ng sulong. Tapos slide natin yung panan kayo. Kanin ba yung part of this? Kaya siya ma-detect sa sensor na siya mga nasa yung hotel niya para ma-detect niya kung nasa siya yung kaya tapos ano yung kamera mo yung detect sa iya kung gusto yung
malayo niya siya multiply. There's a big difference for both the manual and AI automatic sorting because manual it can cause sometimes slowness, or non-accurate data, and also they don't have that much of data structure compared to productive AI, which is can actually meet the standard. Also, you can also detect bad text.
Okay, now, I want to ask how do you mean the range
Causes errors. The meaning of that is when a human error, meaning of enigmatic is when a human has an error when grading an egg. So that means that when he tries to pack an egg or get an egg, it sometimes be underweight, overweight.
Now, what do you mean by weight-based classification? Is it a small between
Yes, yes.
all the mechanical sorting?
Mechanical sorting is that is sorting that is automatic sorting when the egg is sorted manually, especially in the prototype you have seen.
Okay, now, I have a lot of comments here. So, which is the objective standards?
There are objectives that are available.
How do you go in and validate it? Now, in your objectives, you did not specifically discuss that
There is
and I hope
yes, yes.
wala nyo siya specified as the same with the first example. What's the
This is the mechanical sorting mo, ma'am. This is the IoT mo, ma'am. This is the weight-based application. You can identify if there is an product or
When we say specific objectives, ang mga lang nila need to know that, right? So, kung ano yung very specific mo, some IoT, mechanical sorting, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, okay, how would you isolate defective eggs?
ito,
Pastor lang siya sa ano, sa may sa ulang hindi siya hindi i-rebel yung mga ano na yung bagay sa
Ginawa sa purpose ng
lang.
ano ma'am, muna siyang mag-serve as bali mata na mag-identify sa
So you have the sensors in the way, you have the sensors on the camera or
This is for the legislation. The camera inspects the eggs. Ilang flow niya po. Wala mo generate sa report niya. Ang medyo multi-purpose ang camera sa level niya, sa paligid niya. Kita ko dito ang light sorting.
if balik ko sa existence ng device, how much will it cost?
That would be the product cost would be 14,000.
40,000. The device itself.
Yes.
How about the application?
I just also attach niya ang application. Sa mga naman is kasi ba dito sa taas page. Sa next nila sa PPT.
Okay, so sige, 14,000. So it's ang target market.
The target market would be the small medium farmers, that is the poultry ones na adapt get eggs sa daily basis farms.
What should I buy your product rather than using the existing methods which is within the sensors and the 40,000? Why should I buy your product?
Okay, first of all is, I assure you that it is affordable for many small business, small medium farmers. It can estimate an estimated value to 8, 10, 15,000 and 10 to 15,000.
So that means that
So 10 to 15,000. So that means it is mostly available for the small to medium owners to sell their value.
siya na po. Kung nakabang. Nasa naman sa how do you develop? Is it still part of the developer or do you want to sa account ng components? So using sensors, tapos dami na. Dapat ako ba sa kanya? Wala naman yung time. So that's covered by the 40,000?
Yes, because
I
the production is by 5,000 kung siya ang pag-make na mo, yung cost sa hard work, ang labor na mo, mag siya, 14,000. Kami na yung nakikita, maintenance, pag-install, USB, sa attachment na mo.
Wala ko po sir.
Balik mo, tingnan mo. Okay, ma'am. Bili na. Balik mo, tingnan mo.
Yung mga mga sir.
Sige, sir.
Uy, akong fan. Kuha akong fan.
Ako na mo? Ayun.
Di ba sa ito? Hindi ko ba ako report lang ko. Ikaw nag-sponsor ako.
Ikaw, gito tulungan. Ikaw, gito tulungan.
Wala mo na cancer. Bigyan ako siya. Wala na. Ito kitang shop ay. Ay, hindi mo na ikaw.
Ganyan ako sig panawag.
Ay!
Ang bayot. Ano ka na? Kandin. Kandin.
Nang behind the scenes ba?
Naku kayo mo. Progress daw.
Lain mo, ito ka. Kada ko daw, ganda. Wala yung ito nga.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Matulaw ka. Iwagin na lang.
Ala.
Okay, ka-dance daw.
Ano ba?
Pagkali. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Sige, ato lang. Para makita ninyo yung magaling mo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Laro? Research detective? Ano?
Uy, wala ka rin yung graphics na.
Suta pa rin. Dili. Suta. Bahay ka, oy. Oo, makita dito. Ay, no. Yan, dito. Kasama na rin ako.
Pag-ilan ka sir?
Easy.
Hawa ito, hindi.
Kare.
Kani aga. Kani ni.
1, 2, 3.
Asa ako? Ang tawag to.
Gutom na yun. Grabe, pila